You must hold a valid ticket to travel on Worcester Park.
Alright, so I'm on the train. It's a 455. They're now the oldest trains in the... So basically, these are now the oldest trains in the UK, with some exceptions, because these are the oldest passenger trains in the UK, because obviously I'm not talking about steam trains. So, yeah, these are like 42 years old, I think, but yeah, 42 years old. So they're pretty old. And we're gonna ride them to some new stations I haven't been to, down on the Dorking line. So we're just leaving Waterloo now. We're gonna go check out like Worcester Park, Stoneleigh, Ewell West, Epsom sort of area. I don't know what station we're going to yet. I'll decide in a sec. So yeah, we're just leaving Waterloo and we'll go to one of those stations. If you didn't know, these are also my favourite trains. They're very thrashy trains with great sounding motors, and I really like it. It also brings back, you know, nostalgia because of the South West Trains maquette on the seats. That's really good. I hope they don't change that, which they won't, because these are going for scrap in the next year or so. So yeah, I'm in the first carriage. There's the cab there. One of the newest features of these trains is a wheelchair space. I know that's not really the newest, but like you get the point. It was like put there in like 2012 because of safety requirements. So yeah, that's like the newest part of most of these trains, 2012, which is yeah, crazy. We're just at Vauxhall now. And then we stop off at places like Clapham Junction and Wimbledon, and then, oh wait, we're stuck at a red signal. And we're moving again into Rains Park, where there's this massive gap for some reason. Right, so that was just Rains Park, but we've decided to get off at Stoneleigh, as it's the one that looks more interesting, I guess. The next stop is Motspur Park, which we're not going to get off at, because that's technically part of Chessington South Branch. Like the slammy doors. I will miss the slammy doors when these are gone. So, Stoneleigh, it's a bit empty. There's no one on this platform. It's an island platform, and that's why I picked it. It's just like Motspur Park, but I wasn't going to get off there because that's on the Chessington branch. It looks more newer than most of the stations because of there's a new lift. Oh, that's actually coming down. I'm going to move away. And the footbridge. So yeah, I quite like Stoneleigh because it's an island platform, and I'm just going to record a few trains here because why not? I'm trying to record as much 455s as I can until they go because I really like them. So that's why I'm on the network today. I'm usually on the network on like Saturdays. That's why I haven't been filming a lot of videos. I'm sorry, I've just been on the 455s. I can't help myself. But I found an excuse. To actually make a video about them again. So yeah, this is Stoneleigh. We might go down to Epsom. We might. Might go down to Epsom. But for now, let's stay at the deserted Stoneleigh. There's an eerie waiting room. There's just 3 seats. Kind of pathetic, to be honest, but better than nothing. So there's actually 20 minutes until the next train actually comes here, and that's a train toward Guildford. So we're going to just pop outside of Stoneleigh and see what there is to see, because the platform doesn't have much to offer, sadly. So this is just the entrance to Stoneleigh. It's really just a gate and a station sign. It's a bit pathetic. We might go down to the other side and see if there's anything special down there. There's nothing else here other than really a pub and a high street. So, yeah.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
So this is the other entrance at Stoneleigh. And again, it's just a gate. With a ginormous Stoneleigh sign. And whatever is down there. A phone storage place. So yeah, that's Stoneleigh. Now let's get back to the platform. Let's check if the ticket machine works. We're not going to buy a ticket, we're just going to test it. So let's go to, I don't know, Truro in Scotland, because why not? Return, £534. Adults, that's a lot of money. Yeah, so £5,342. The ticket machine works. So we're gonna take that 4-car train from here to Epsom in about 12 minutes because it's a bit late.
This is Stoneleigh. This train is for...
This is Ewell West. I'm not getting off here. I'm not interested. It's right next to a playground of some sort, I guess.
This is Ewell West.
Yes,
this
it
train
is.
is
Yeah,
for
well done.
Guildford. The next station is Epsom.
Yeah, so we're going to get off at Epsom next. Then I'll wrap up the video.